You can own a business for $10,000. And you know how? With shipping container conversions. And that's what I'm teaching and also providing. So if you check out the website at www.HogOnWelding.com, that's www.HogOnWelding.com, we have Imagine Your Containers. So imagine how you want yours. And we give consultations for $150, and we sell business prints for $500, and we can build your business for $10,000. That's a $10,000 20-foot high cube shipping container conversion done at your specs. So these are some of our conversions. Just want to give you, we have 3 different ones you can pick from my base model. You can add on to things and you can take things off. But we have a different layout to help you gain your independence, because people have been asking me and inboxing me, how much do it really cost? And to be honest with you, to have one completely done, modern, where you can actually do business. This is a business container where you can business and you can live in it. So say if you have a 20-foot and you want at the end of it, you want to have a little spare room at the end, you might have to stay in it sometimes. We can make that possible. You want a bathroom and a shower, we can make that possible. So keep your options open. But just remember this. This year is all about building independence. And remember and see how I stated that. I didn't say start a business for $10,000. I said own a business for $10,000, because that's what it's about this year. Getting our HogOn with ownership. HogOn.